So, Wet and Wild has gone back to their old ways where they are not selling everything on their website anymore. It's exclusive to Walmart. It's like, you tell them over and over again, getting it from Walmart is very difficult, but they don't care. They keep making things exclusive to Walmart. So, Tropic Like It's Hot came out. My Walmart doesn't have it. What else is new? But the one in Alvin usually gets these things and puts them out. So it was a lot of like very pale pastels and regular pastels. But I have a lot of pastel nail polishes. So they also have some glitters. I went with the duochromes. So this is the pink duochrome one. This is the iridescent flake glitter one. This is a sheer white. You could like put that underneath the iridescent glitter one to make it show better. And then this is a lavender with like a pink, like a very, very subtle pink duochrome. They only have, some of them have only 2 to a display, some have 4 to the display. But I also got this nice glitter. It's like a rainbow glitter in pastels kind of. But mostly orange is in it. Oh, this red. Looks like a red with gold shimmer. It's very, very frosty, so I got that. And of course I got the pastel lavender. And then I got, this is like, I think this is a blue with like a pink lavender, but I don't know why. I also see some like a green in that. So anyway, I'm just showing you everything real quick because I have to leave. I have not done swatches. As I said, I've been just going non-stop, and most likely this weekend we're going to go to the mall because my husband needs to do something out there. And then just quickly want to show you these little ring lights are $5 at Target. What I hate is that now they all have these like USB thingies. So I figure I'm going to have to get like an extension cord and get the little pluggy thing that these USB ports go into. As I think that's the only way I'm going to be able to do my nails and use this light during a video. I had just cleaned before my daughter came. I got a mess because I have all these things. And then of course I already showed you, and I really wanted to like open it and smell them. But the butter, these are called cheat day bronzers. You have the donut, you have the cookie. Seriously, I don't even want to use them. They're so nice. But I want to open them and smell them, but I don't have time. The butter cake, and then the butter coffee. That's cute. It looks like when they make those designs on the coffee. And then I showed you this, and I'm not even sure. This might be limited edition. It's not even on their website. These are going to be on the Physicians Formula website, but this is on the Walmart website for like half price, but it's not available. I got this at Ulta. It was $20. Unfortunately, it's $11 at Walmart. But it was there on a display. And I got that. It's called the Wet and Wild Heart. I haven't even opened it. I kept telling you, keep a watch on Ulta because they're gonna have something, and that was it. But their new collection, and right now it's only Ulta has it. Right now only Ulta has it. But it's supposed to be, like I said, at Walmart. I don't think it's on the Wet and Wild website. This will be on the Wet n Wild website by the end of the month. I don't know why, but all of my Targets said that they were not putting this out until the 11th, even though other places had already put them out. One girl says she found hers today and it was practically cleaned out. But when I went down to Galveston to take my daughter to the water park at Moody Gardens, I called the Target there and they had put it out early, like They said they had put it out for a few days, but they have it all the way like in the back, and I guess not a lot of people see it. So it was full. Only one eyeshadow was sold. There's like 4 eyeshadows. There's 4 of everything to the display. So the other one is honey. I'll show you that in a minute. I don't like honey. I put a little bit in my tea when I'm sick with lemon. But honey, like the taste of it makes me nauseous. So I don't like the smell of it. I don't like how it tastes. Sometimes it can give you an upset stomach. They say you shouldn't give it to babies. Like a lot of health nuts will give it to their babies, and their babies get sick because it's got some sort of like bacteria in it that babies can't handle. But it's not bad because it actually has awesome properties for healing. That's why you're supposed to put it in a tea with lemon when you get sick. So I didn't get the entire honey collection because it makes me sick. Just even, I'm an adult and I just put a little bit in my tea because I just get nauseous. The smell of it, the taste of it, it just makes me nauseous. I got the cocoa, the entire cocoa, cherry, and passion fruit collection, but only part of the honey collection. So it basically, it's lip liners with sheer tinted gloss, which probably you're not even going to be able to see. So you got the cocoa, the passion. It just says passion session, not passion fruit, but this one's the purple, and then the cherry, which is red. The honey had, I think, a brown liner with a yellow gloss. You know, sheer. I'm just trying to go through this quickly because I need to go out today. So this is what probably won't be up till tomorrow. Then I did get the honey face palette, which is like supposed to be a blush and a highlighter, which the passion looks like a blush and a highlighter, but this looks like contouring palette. It doesn't look like a blush and a highlighter. It looks more like a contouring palette. And this is really dark. The cherry, like that, if that is a highlighter, it's going to be too dark for me. But I could definitely use the cherry side as a blush. I could probably use the other side as a blush too, although it won't flatter my skin tone. Or you can use it as eyeshadow. And then I did get the honey one. I'm going to assume that they're scented. But it's called the Wild Crush collection. And it's at Target on a display. End cap. It's a pretty big end cap display. And it'll be at Wet n Wild on the 27th. So this looks more like a bronzer, like a gold and a brown, type of bronzer. But and I did get the honey eyeshadow palette. So you got the cocoa palette with browns. I haven't even opened these because I have been doing stuff. This is the honey palette, which is going to have your yellows, but it also looks like it has some oranges in there. The Wet n Wild cherry palette, which has like neutrals, like pinky reds and burgundies in it. And then the passion one, I thought it would be a purple palette, but it's got green, orange, gold, a purple, burgundy. It looks like it has a brown. This one looks like it has a glitter in there, like a glitter shadow. And definitely did not get any more of the honey, but they have the face serums. Because again, I don't want to be smelling it. It just makes me nauseous. If it's going to be, you putting this on all your face, it's going to be by my nose and mouth. So I didn't want to do that. So, like a highlighter is going to be around the eyeshadow, is going to be around the eyes, but I don't want it right here. So I got the passion fruit serum, the cherry serum, and the cocoa serum. And these are, everything is $5. And then you've got your facial sprays. Again, did not get the honey. So yeah, I got the passion facial spray, the cherry facial spray, and the cocoa facial spray. So that is their summer collection. Again, you could get it at Target. Every Target I went to in my neighborhood said they were not going to put out to the 11th. On the 11th, it popped up on the website, so you can order. From what I understand, you can order almost everything except for an eyeshadow palette and I think a lip product. So you can't order those. I guess they're not available to order. But you know, you can order it when it comes out on the Wet n Wild website on the 27th. But yeah, if you don't have a Target in your neighborhood, you can order it. Or you know, if you want to drive out, they usually, from what I can tell, usually like a 30-minute drive if it's not here, you know. And if you live in a state where, or city where you need to do a lot of driving, to me that's really like nothing. But anyway, you know, you can go in store and try to get it. But one of the Instagram ladies that I follow, Lip Drama, she got to her Target yesterday, and it was, I mean, so Saturday, Sunday, like it was out. No, Sunday. It was out Sunday. So 2-3 days later, it was gone. She said a lot of it was gone, and so that's why I was so glad I was able to find it on Saturday in Galveston. Because if I didn't get to them on Sunday, forget it. So anyway, with being so busy, I have not been able to bleach my hair. But I have 2 doctor's appointments, and I have to take my son to bring the paperwork, like a 45-minute drive away today. So you know, had to help do the copies of the medical records. I got a doctor's appointment, and then today I got to drive him, and so tomorrow I'm gonna rest so I'll put up the video tomorrow, and then Friday I have it on the doctor's appointment. So next week I'm gonna try and rest, and then Saturday we're going to the mall. So I'm gonna try and get my hair did, bleach it out. Hopefully one bleach will do it. I got a lot of that salt and pepper coming out finally, and then I want to do pastels. I really want to do pastels so bad. So anyway, yeah, when we went to the pool, my daughter had pink hair dye in her hair, and most of it came out. And then she went, when we went to the water park, then she went to the pool like 2 days later, and all the rest of the pink came out of her hair. That's why I didn't want to do it. Anyway, okay, so I'll probably do a video on Monday, probably, so you won't see my bleached hair till the following week. So anyway, I love you guys, and I'm gonna probably not this week, but I'm also gonna have to get like swatches out of this, and I want to start using some of these new palettes. Anyway, so the Wild Heart palettes is at Ulta. The Wild Crush collection is at Target. The butter scented bronzers are at Ulta. And the nail polishes, if you're lucky, you can find it at your Walmart. I find there's a Walmart like every 5 miles away from each other, so one of them gotta have it. And it's you can't buy them online, as usual. Website's a mess, and they're only showing you 3 colors, and they're telling you those 3 colors. Like the purple one, they said is yellow. The white one, they said is gray. The pink one, they said unknown. So seriously, man, I wouldn't do it. It's only 3 colors there. But maybe it'll help you find out what Walmart's carrying it. But again, remember, mine, they said had it for 2 months before it was put out, and a week later they took it down. I don't know what they do with the stuff, but anyway, okay, love you all. See you next week. Mwah. Bye.